Welcome to What Tradies Want magazine, Tradie Tough Tests, brought to you by Hard Yakka. Now today, we've got a range of cordless power tools from Hitachi. We've got 4 brush and 4 brushless models. And Stu, on the work side, what do you understand brush to have over brushless or vice versa?
Basically, brushed tools have small carbon brushes inside them, and over time they wear out and need to be replaced, so brushless means less maintenance.
Okay, well Hitachi is stating a 30% increase in efficiency and general all-around performance and power as well with their brushless models over their brush. So today we're going to be doing a range of tests. We're going to be testing the 4 brush versus the 4 brushless and testing for general all-around performance and battery runtime. So let's get stuck in.
Here we have the brushless and the brushed cordless impact drivers. These guys will be tested with driving 75mm batten screws into this 63mm LVL in a staggered pattern, and let's see how they go.
So Stu, mate, round 1 of the testing there, the brush versus brushless impact driver test. Pretty big differences there.
Definitely, Tom. Yeah, we see the brushless screwed in 20 more batten screws than the brushed.
Wow, yeah, and certainly run for quite a bit longer as well.
Definitely, mate. Yeah, so big difference between the two there. Brushless running for longer and doing a lot more workload.
Okay, well let's get to round 2 of the testing. We've got a couple of cordless drills. We've got the brushless and the brush. Mate, what are we going to do here?
Mate, they've both got brand new 12mm HSS bits, and we're going to drill straight through this 63mm LVL. We're going to run them at the same time this time, and we've noticed the brushless is a lot smaller and it's actually lighter as well. It'll be interesting to see if it's better performance.
So we're going to find out which puts in the more holes and which runs for the longer.
That's it, dead. That's it. Massive difference. The brushless, almost twice as many holes into this LVL.
And running for almost twice as long. We've got 18 minutes 20 versus 10 minutes 32 seconds. So a big difference in runtime, performance. I mean, clear winner, the brushless over the brush. So on to round 3.
Okay, we've got brand new 6mm masonry bits in each drill. Set them up so that we'll be drilling 35mm depth into this concrete lintel, and it should put them to a pretty tough test.
Obviously brushless so far taking the cake, so see if the trend continues. Okay Stu, so test number 3 there with the hammer drills into the concrete lintel. That was some pretty tough going there. Again, the brushless has come out on top.
Yeah mate, definitely 48 to 38. Clear winner again. And just to note that we did change our drill bits for brand new ones. Identical drill bits, but brand new ones halfway through that testing.
I think 4 minutes longer as well in runtime. We've got 20 minutes runtime with this brushless. Drilling into the concrete lintel, and that's pretty tough going, and it's a pretty impressive performance, I think, to get that long.
Yeah, it's great, it really is. It's another win for brushless.
Okay, well, Tradie Tough Test number 4 coming right up.
Up till now we've been running all our Tradie Tough tests under pretty tough conditions, and this time the difference is going to be absolutely no load. We'll run the brushless versus the brush under no load until the battery dies.
And I guess what that's going to do is eliminate any variables that might have in the consistency of the wood of the lintel.
Exactly right, mate. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Well, let's get stuck in. 1, 2. Okay, so we've just passed the 15-minute mark. Interesting to note, the Hitachi brushless has an automatic cut off every 5 minutes, it shuts off. But apart from that, we've had no signs of slowing down. They're both still going very strong. I think we're going to be in for a pretty long afternoon. Yeah! Okay, so we're at 42 minutes now, and the drill was just stopped. It was showing some signs of slowing down. It was starting to hurt. 42 minutes. Given the other test, Stu's still got a fair way ahead of him. So I think we're going to go to the pub. We'll come back in half an hour.
That's it. It's gone.
Okay, so Stu made an hour and 14 minutes, 45 seconds pulling the trigger on that Hitachi brushless, compared to only 42 minutes on the brush model here, so a clear winner.
Yeah, it was, mate. A very clear winner. More than half an hour longer it ran for. I was actually worried that I was going to be here tomorrow still for a while there, but we got there in the end.
Yeah, and I guess those results replicated across all the 4 tests. We've done brushless, clear winners every time, so that's where my money would be going. You can catch a full write-up of this test and all the others in the next issue of What Tradies Want, out in December. That's issue 13. Until next time, this is Tom, Stu, What Tradies Want magazine, Tradie Tough Tests. See you later.